Hi guys, I'm Mario and today we're going to talk about how to combine multiple videos with free video joiner. The tool I'm suggesting in this video is extremely powerful free video editor, but I will cover only how to use it to combine videos and how to cut them. So let's get started. We open Capwing. We make a registration on capwing.com, link in the description, and you end on page something like that. We create new project, and now we simply add media. We click to upload media, and select two videos. Now we simply click the plus sign at every media, like that. Now if you want to combine them, just drag one video next to the other and it will combine it. If you want to cut one of the videos, simply tap on trim. Here, just drag the end from where you want to cut it and click play to see what's actually on the video. Then tap on trim. Now simply tap on export project when you're done. And here choose the best quality, Full HD, and export as MP4. Here you can actually embed this video or download the file. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe to see more.